Robert Pickton, one of Canada's most notorious serial killers, operated in plain sight while the world around him turned a blind eye. For years, women from Vancouver's downtown east side went missing, many of them vulnerable and marginalized. Pickton, a pig farmer, became a prime suspect in a case that would reveal the darkest corners of society. In 2002, authorities raided his pig farm and discovered the unimaginable. Human remains and personal items belonging to several of the missing women were found, leading to a shocking investigation. Pickton was charged with the murders of 26 women, but many believe the true number could be much higher, up to 49. His heinous acts highlighted the failures of the police and justice system in protecting vulnerable communities. Convicted in 2007, Pickton received life in prison, but his story remains a chilling reminder of the impact of indifference towards missing and murdered women.